All right, guys, so this is section 1.4, and it's going to be all about solids of revolution. So just to start off, a solid of a revolution is a 3D figure that's formed by rotating a 2D shape around an axis. Okay, that's, say for instance, if you had what I think of as just like a flag. On a flagpole, if you held out the flag and you circled around in a circle without wrapping it around, if it formed an object from the path that you followed, it would be similar to what's shown on your screen. Okay, so it's a line, or it's this solid from a revolution that's around an axis. Okay, so obviously the easiest thing to think of is a cylinder. If you guys, had this piece of paper and you circled it all the way around, you continued it and you followed the path, once again, the flag, that's the best thing I can think of connecting it to without showing the rest of what's going to come in the lesson. So this one says it's a rectangle around a line that contains one of its sides. It produces a cylinder. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sketching the revolution, rough sketch. Once again, I am not an art teacher. I don't expect you to be art enthusiasts. This is math. You're also not math enthusiasts, but that's okay. I'm okay with that one. That's my job, to make you enjoy math and not hate it so much. So you're going to be sketching and describing solids. And then you're going to be finding the surface area and the volume of a solid of a revolution. So, and then forming in a set of a coordinate plane. So those are the things that are going to come up. So if you understand this piece, we'll go ahead and move into the next one.